Welcome to yet another easy Final Cut Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can get fire to shoot out of your fingers just like if you're using magic in Harry Potter. It's actually quite easy, and as always I will try to do this in less than 5 minutes. The only thing you would need is a fire overlay, and I'm going to link that down below so you can download that absolutely for free yourself. So without any further ado, let's jump into Final Cut Pro and put 5 minutes on the clock. Decide where you want your overlay to start, your fire, so make a mark on your timeline just when you snap your fingers, or whatever you decide to do. If you want to use a magic wand, that's fine, and then make a mark again where you want the fire to end. The next thing you want to do is to drag down the fire overlay and put it on top of your timeline. We need to initially go up in the right corner into your blend mode and change the blend mode to lighting, like that. Then we need to have the fire adjusted so that it begins just when you snap. I think it's like this. Yes, and then we need to position it at your fingertips. So just use your position tool and line it exactly where you want it to be. Let's make a test run. It comes at the right time and it ends at the right time as well. Now we need to have it to follow your movement. And unfortunately in Final Cut Pro we don't have a motion tracker, so we need to do that ourselves with keyframes. And that's actually quite simple. Just do one keyframe at your transition tool and then use your right arrow key on your keyboard to move forward 2 or 3 frames at a time. And every time your finger moves, you just need to ensure that you move the fire as well to follow your fingertip. So again, 1, 2 or 3 frames forward with your arrow key on your keyboard, and every time you do that, just use your position tool to align the fire and the keyframe will do the rest. There are no further actions for you. And ensure that you do exactly the same on the way up. And that should about do it. Let's do a rerun to see how that goes. Follows the movement quite nicely. Next thing we want to add is a smoke overlay. I'm going to link that below as well so you can download that for free. Put it on top of your timeline, it's very important. Go to your blend mode. Oh, no, speed it up first to 2 or 4 times, whatever makes most sense for you to make it look cool. And then go to your blend mode and change it to subtract. And then use your position tool to ensure that the smoke is aligned with your hand. It's quite easy to do. Like that. Let's see how that looks. Pretty cool. So let's copy the smoke. Just press Command C and then Command V to put it where we want the fire to end as well. So we have the same result. We just need to use the transition tool to align it with your hand again. Like this. The final thing we should do just to enhance the illusion or create the effect is to add some sound design. And for that I would, in my case, add a bang just when the magic or the fire starts, just to illustrate, poof, this is it. And then add a sound of something burning, a fire effect below that. I have one I already found with the pre-installed sound effects that we have in Final Cut Pro. Align it to the right size and let's see how it goes. So that's really all there is to it. So as always, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.